Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use BMC Helix Log Analytics. This video will walk you through the steps to access BMC Helix Log Analytics and view the collected logs. You can apply filters, create visualizations, and add visualizations to a dashboard to view the log data graphically. BMC Helix Log Analytics is a SaaS service on BMC Helix platform portal that leverages Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana that is ELK stack to analyze and visualize logs. BMC Helix Log Analytics is an add-on service for BMC Helix Operations Management. When you log onto BMC Helix Log Analytics, you see dashboards. All dashboards created by you and others in your organization are visible to you. The Discover tab shows all collected logs. By default, data collected in last 15 minutes is shown. You can select a date range to expand search results. You can use these fields to filter data and identify the root cause of an issue. To visualize this filtered data in a dashboard, save this search criteria. You can use this saved search criteria to create a visualization. Let's create a visualization. Click Visualize. Create a new visualization. Select the view that you want for the data in the visualization. For example, pie chart. Select the source of the data for the visualization. Here, select the search criteria that you saved. To this visualization, you can add additional filters and specify the time period. For example, data from the previous 15 minutes or 7 days. To add this visualization to a dashboard, click Dashboard. Click Create Dashboard or the edit icon. Click Add and select the visualization. On this page also, you can add filters and set the time period. If you have other logs that you view frequently, you can create visualizations and dashboards for them. To access documentation from the product, click this link. Thank you for watching.